Hey there my handsome and pretty little Cobras, and welcome back to the Cobras Nest. For those who are new, my name is Mignon Cobra and I make minimalism videos. Today's minimalism video is going to be I organize and declutter my books. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. Let's get it, let's go. Woo. I'll be taking you guys down to the basement where my mom has put all of my books. Just a little bit of background info. I am back home now, so there's a lot of things that I need to go through that I had left behind. So I think that'll be fun for you guys who probably have a more typical lifestyle. So this is going to be what it's like to be decluttering when I used to be a regular person and not a minimalist, and all of the things that I left behind. And yeah, I just wanted to add, if you haven't done so yet, consider checking out my Patreon and making a small donation if you want to. That would definitely help out my channel because I am not monetized. Yeah, if not, then just hit the like button and subscribe for the algorithm, and let's just get into the video. Let's go. Ooh. Okay, so here we have all of the books. So yeah, I used to be a pretty big nerd growing up, and I had a lot of books. I liked reading a lot of non-fiction. I'm going to be taking a box, which is this one right here, and I'm just going to be sorting out stuff and maybe do ×2 speed or something, and maybe just give you guys a little bit of snippets of the stuff. So yeah, let's do that. So you guys can see that I have a lot of nonfiction. I have Hunger Games, I had Dragon's Rider, I had the Bartholomew trilogy. This series was so far, I loved it. Then, I don't know what that is, but yeah, I had so many books. I loved reading nonfiction. Flipped was a really good book. That was a really good book. What else was a really good book? The Art of Racing in the Rain was a really good book. Yeah, I have lots of books that I recommend. Okay, so I will just be taking the books that I want to donate and put them in here so somebody else can read them, because I'm not going to reread the same books again. So that is how it is coming along. Quite a fair amount of books actually that I will be passing along that somebody else can read, because there's really no point in me keeping it and me not reading it. And that is what it's looking right now. These other books, they're not mine, so obviously I'm not going to touch them. A lot of them are my mom's medical books and stuff like that. So a lot of those other books that are not mine, obviously I'm not going to touch. I've touched upon this in one of my videos talking about when you do minimalism or you declutter, to really do your own stuff and to respect other people's stuff and not touch other people's things. So obviously, oh, this lighting is terrible. There we go. I'm not going to be touching my mom's stuff or my brother's stuff. That is theirs to declutter and theirs to touch. I'm just dealing with my old childhood books. Sometimes you find the weirdest things among your stuff. I'm going to show you guys some of like my sketches from when I used to draw like anime style when I was younger. Let me show you guys. Okay, and here I have some sketches. Don't ask me what I was thinking. Childhood and youth and teen emotion got in the way and clearly came out in these pictures. So I hope you guys feel just as entertained as I feel embarrassed. Yeah, we all have a childhood. This is so like interesting to like see and show you guys. These used to be my masterpieces when I was a kid, so it's pretty funny that somehow they managed to survive this long. So this is like the final amount of stuff in here. I have my old university notes that I am never going to use again. Like, do I really need to know about polymerase again? I'm gonna be recycling those. Like, and then in here is all of the books, which will be given away to somebody who can enjoy them.
So that is my video. Thank you so much for having taken the time to watch, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!